Hey there, Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and let's have a look at various methods that are available in tuples. So I'll create a new file and tuple methods.py. Now when I create a tuple, I can say length of t1, which basically gives me number of elements in a tuple. Then we have a function, say print max of t1. So let me just take values like 11, then 26, then maybe say 53, maybe say 140, maybe say 55 and 6. Okay. Then we can also have print min of t1. Then we can also have print sum of t1. Then we can have print t1 dot. So when I say t1 dot, I just have a count function, an index function. I don't have any other functions available with tuples. So as discussed, you don't have for addition, insertions, because that's not allowed in tuples, they being immutable. So I can say, for example, count of 6, and maybe I do this. Now when I run, you would see 7 is the length of tuple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Max of t1 is 140, min of t1 is 6. Sum of t1 is 297. So if you add all these values, it should give you 297, and then t1 count of 6 gives you the number of times the 6 occurs in a tuple. So just based on this, let's just do one simple program on tuples. So for example, you have to find the second largest value in the tuple, right? So let's consider this only. So we have the max value in a tuple. So we can do that by saying max of t1. Now I want to basically find second max, which will be initially 0. Now I'll be iterating from the tuple. So I can say t in t1, I'll compare if the value in second max is less than t, which is indeed, and the value in t is also less than max t. If it is true, then second max equal to t. And then if I print second max, okay, so I'll just put empty print and now see. So we got 55, which is the second largest value. So what we did over here is we are getting every values in the tuple. We are comparing whether the value in second max, right? So say for example, in max t, I have 140. Second max is 0. When first time the loop runs, the value in t is 11. So second max is less than 11, right? And 11 is less than 140, right? So I store in second max, that is 11. Then I get next value, which is 26. Now is 26, so second max is 11. 11 less than 26, yes. And 26 is less than 140, yes. So I get 26. Next value is 53. So then again, second max has 26. Less than t, that is 53, yes. Which is less than 140, yes. So I got in second max is 53. Now say for example, next value is 6. Second max 53 less than 6, no. I mean, doesn't make sense to compare again. So second max is still 53. Then I have 140. So second max is 53 less than 140, yes, but it is not less than max t. Second max remains 53. Then I have 55. So 53 less than 55, true. Less than 140, true. This is 55 and so on. So this is how you can use tuples and say, for example, find the second max in a tuple. So that's all for this video. In next video, we are going to see the next data structure, that is list. So till then, happy learning, take care and bye bye.